Hello and welcome to the eMedNY computer-based training series for New York State Medicaid providers. This video is part of our prior approval series of tutorials. The purpose of this session is to familiarize providers with PAXpress. PAXpress is designed for prescribing providers to request pharmacy prior authorization from New York State Medicaid. Access to PAXpress requires an active ePaces account, and the provider's ePaces username and password are used to log in to PAXpress. PAXpress can be accessed from the eMedNY website, ePaces, and by going directly to the PAXpress website. Please note, access to ePaces requires enrollment. Contact the eMedNY call center at 800-343-9000 to enroll. Prescribers can access the PAXpress application by clicking on the PAXpress button on the bottom right side of the eMedNY homepage. The PAXpress user manual is located below the PAXpress button. PAXpress can also be accessed by clicking on the PAXpress button on the bottom left side of the ePaces homepage. A message will be displayed. You are about to leave the ePaces application. The PAXpress login screen will be opened in a new tab. Click OK to proceed. The PAXpress homepage will display helpful links related to pharmacy, practitioner-administered drugs, general information, and the PAXpress user manual. This page will also display any new announcements. The PAXpress login screen is accessed by clicking Login on the top right or by selecting New Request. Log in to PAXpress by entering your ePaces account username and password. Only ePaces user IDs that are attached to a prescribing provider can be used to enter prior approval requests via PAXpress. Click the Remember Username box to have the application save your username in browser cookies in order for the username field to be automatically populated at login. Click the checkbox to indicate I have read and agree to the Medicaid confidentiality regulations, located under the question mark. Click the Sign In button. The system will validate the user's login credentials, and the client information screen will display. Enter the client's ID number, followed by the first 4 letters of the client's last name or full last name if less than 4 characters. Then enter the client's date of birth and click Search. If a required field is left blank, an error message will display. Here's an example of a message indicating the client's date of birth is required. Let's go back and enter the client's date of birth and click Search again. The application will search for the client. In case the data was entered incorrectly, the Reset button will clear all previously entered search criteria. Once the client has been associated with the PA request, select Pharmacy PA. The provider will enter all of the information required to submit a Pharmacy PA request. First, choose the prescriber from the drop-down list. The list displays all prescribers associated to the logged-in user. If the desired prescriber is not found, enroll the prescriber in ePaces with the electronic transmitter identification number that is currently enrolled with the user ID. Select the prescriber's name from the drop-down list. The prescriber's name and NPI have been added to the PA request. Next, enter the first letters of the drug's name. A drop-down list containing all possible matches will be displayed. Select the correct drug from the list. Once selected, a list of associated drugs will appear beneath the selection. Enter the quantity and day supply in a single fill according to the instructions. Please enter the appropriate package size, or multiples of, in the quantity field. Calculate the proper day supply based on quantity per fill and directions for use. Incorrect information in the quantity or day supply fields may lead to denial of PA. Refer to the Medicaid pharmacy list of reimbursable drugs for additional information on quantity and day supply. Click Request PA. A PA request verification display box containing the drug label name, calculated units, and duration information will be displayed. Click Confirm if correct, or click Cancel if the information is not correct. Here is an example of an approved PA request. The results include the approved drug name, quantity, PA number, and start-in dates. This example shows a PA request response that has not been approved. According to the rejection reason, there's already an existing open PA on file. Here's another example showing a PA response that has not been approved. The response indicates the drug being requested is non-preferred or requires additional information. Please refer to the NYRX preferred drug list or call the NYRX Pharmacy Prior Authorization call center at 1-877-309-9493 for assistance. And here is an example of a PA response, indicating the drug does not require prior authorization. Please keep in mind, PAXpress is designed for prescribing providers to request pharmacy prior authorization from New York State Medicaid. Access to PAXpress requires an active ePaces account, and the provider's ePaces username and password are used to log in to PAXpress. PAXpress can be accessed from the eMedNY website, ePaces, and by going directly to the PAXpress website. For additional information regarding PAXpress, please contact the New York State Medicaid Pharmacy Program or eMedNY, and refer to the PAXpress user manual and the Medicaid pharmacy list of reimbursable drugs. This concludes our PAXpress tutorial. Thank you for joining, and please visit us at www.emedny.org for additional training resources.